This is my drawing of Mystery's demon form from the K-pop Demon Hunters, and today I'm teaching each and every step so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson by bringing the hair coming down across the face. So I'm going to start with the left side sweeping down across. So on the right side, come down and then bend that out. Let's add a point, pulling that up. Now I want to continue to add this hair texture going out. So we're going to step down, come down and out, bend that all the way up. Now we're going to continue to add some layers. So we're going to step back down, come down and out. I'm just going to extend this line going up, and we can vary the length of each strand. So down here, going out, bend that up. Let's add a couple more. Going out towards the end, bring that up, and we'll add one little one on the end, coming up towards the side of the head. Now we're going to go to the center of our page and brush the hair over towards the right. So right here, come down all the way out towards the end. Bring this in and then up. Let's add another layer. So we're going to step back, bring this out, come in and all the way up. And I'm just going to continue to brush the hair out towards the side. And we want to kind of line this up with the left. So just want to balance this out. Just adding a couple more strands. Let's curl the hair up along the side. So we're going to continue that curve going up. And then we're going to overlap. We're going to step down, curl this out, and then up towards the side of the head. Round this out, pull that up, and then in towards the top. Let's close off the top with a curve, but we're going to extend this out towards the side. So starting down here, go up and then in, go across, and then down. Let's add another curve across the front edge of the hat brim. We're going to start out here, going up, across the middle, and we'll bend that back down. Let's draw the back side of the hat. We're going to start from the left, and it's out, and then up. Let's draw the top of the hat brim. We're going to step up on the left. We're going to go a little bit wider in the middle, go across, and then taper that down toward the side. And we'll draw the top of the hat. Starting over on the left, draw a straight angled line, going up and then in toward the top of our page. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's add a little trim for the ribbon, going up and then down. Now I want to go back up to the top and brush the hair texture coming down. So let's start with the left side. Going around and then down. Now I want to vary the length of these lines so it's a little bit more natural. So adding some longer ones and shorter ones. Now as we get to the center and the right side, we're going to curve in the opposite direction. Coming down and out. Now that we have the hair in place, let's move to the center inside this area and add the nose. So we start with a curve, coming down and then up. And then on either side, we're going to curve the nostrils, going out and then down. Pull the skin going up and then in around the side of the nose. Now from the tip of the nose, we're going to step down and draw in the mouth. Let's start with a curve, going up and then down. And then curl the corners of the mouth, going up towards the side to give them a little bit of a smile. And then on the ends, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's add in the upper lip. In the center, add a curve, coming down and up. And then from the ends, go out, down and out towards the corners. Let's add a little curve along the bottom of the lower lip. Now we're going to go out to the side and draw the jawline. Let's start on the left. Draw a straight angled line coming down about the same height as the mouth. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round up the jaw, come down an angle towards the chin. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. And I'll close off the chin with a curve. Underneath the chin, draw the neck, coming straight down and then bend that out along the bottom. And then we're going to pull this down and then in towards the center of the collar. Let's add the edge of the throat on the side of the chin, curve this down and then in. Now we're going to add that chain coming down the side. So let's start up here, draw a straight line coming down, Let's draw a circle on the end. And now we want to add some thickness to that string, drawing that same line going up. Let's line this up on the right here, coming straight down towards the same height. Add that circle, and then go back up. Let's add another circle on the end. And then we're going to draw a straight line coming down, right about there. And then we're just going to repeat that, adding another circle, and then adding some thickness. Let's add a small circle on the ends. Now we're going to alternate. Add a larger circle, smaller one, and then one larger one on the end. Let's continue to bring that string down towards the bottom of our page. From the bottom corners of the neck, let's step up, draw the side of the collar going down and out. Now on the left side, curve this down, across, and then up. For that center point, draw a straight line coming down. Now we're going to draw on the shoulders. We're going to step up on the side of the collar, curve this in behind that string, continue down towards the bottom, and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back and add the hair coming down the side of the neck. Let's start up here from the jaw, goes down and out towards a point, pull this in, and I want to continue down and in. Let's add another layer, add one more point coming in towards the shoulder. Now I want to do the same thing on the right. Now in this final stage, I'm going to switch to a thinner black marker and add those details across the face. Let's start with the left side. Just working our way around. I want to add these little veiny points going down towards the bottom. And then we're just going to work our way across. Adding that detail across the chin. Once we finish adding in all those details, we'll be sure to sign our artwork and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's our draw Mysteries Demon Form from the K-pop Demon Hunters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.